I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy aloo. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of potatoes, peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. Also, prepare 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 1 inch of grated ginger and 2 green chilies, slit lengthwise. Finally, measure 1 cup of tomato puree and 1/2 cup of plain yogurt for that perfect creamy texture. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our gravy aloo. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Next, introduce the minced garlic, grated ginger, and green chilies, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. It's time to craft that rich, delicious gravy. Pour in the 1 cup of tomato puree and cook it down until the oil visibly separates, typically around 5 minutes. Then, gradually whisk in the 1/2 cup of plain yogurt to ensure a smooth, creamy consistency without curdling. Add 1 cup of water and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Finally, season with 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for depth. We're almost there. Add your cubed potatoes to the simmering gravy, making sure they are fully submerged in the flavorful sauce. Cover the pot and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Before serving, garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Serve your homemade gravy aloo hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or warm Indian bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.